Hello friends, today we will see how can we have a fully functional dynamic block from just one icon to these 6 orientation. So no need to have all these 6 while working. We will have only this as a block and we will apply the parameters and actions on those parameters and we can get all these different orientations. Tune to me. Okay, so here we have a symbol which is all line properties, 4 lines. So we will make one block, fully functional block, so that no need to have these 6 orientations of this symbol as a separate symbols. Okay, so press B space and we will name this block as get valve, and we will select the object, this one, enter, and we will pick the center point or centroid because it's easy to rotate about that point, that whole symbol. And inches is fine because it's engineering symbol, it's going to be used in pipes. PNID isometric, it's isometric symbol, so let us keep it as inches, no problem. Open in block editor, should check this. Allow exploding, also we should check this. Okay, now we are in block editor. So what we just need to add parameters on this symbol and actions on this parameter. For example, we have these parameters: linears, rotation, alignment, flip, visibility. So according to our requirement, we will add first what we want to do with this symbol. First we want to scale this symbol around the center, so we will add linear parameter, choose center, then any point, this one, distance, and we will rename it as your scale 1. Okay, so we got our parameter here and we will apply action here in this tab, and action we will apply is scale. So select the parameter, selecting, enter. Now it's asking about to select objects. We will select all object, then space. Yeah, now our action is applied. And if we select this parameter, we have 2 grip points. We will keep only one, no need to have 2 grip points, 1. So let us check it, test it. Okay, yeah. So if we select this, it's scaling around the center, right? See how it is. Okay, so close the test block. So our scale action is successfully applied. Now let's take this point, stretch, will apply action, stretch, select parameter, this one, this is the parameter point, and have a frame. Okay, select objects, enter. Save the block and test it. Yeah, so this is our grip for stretching. Okay, oh, some problem is here, this line is not selected, I think. again edit that, reselect that. Stretch, modify selection, we will remove this one. Okay, we don't need that. Enter. We will test the block again. Bam, you are getting it. See, now it's stretching perfectly. Okay, so we have to exclude this line as this baseline. We should not include that in our selection objects. Okay, so we got our scale and stretch applied. Next is to flip. Flip is just like a mirror. Okay, so we want to mirror this symbol about this vertical y-axis. So we will have a parameter called flip here, and base point, of course, center, and it's will have just a random here line, and here is a flip. So here the flip symbol appears. So this here this exclamation yellow symbol indicates that action is not applied yet on that parameter flip. So we will have to apply parameter. So we will come we will have to apply action. We will come in this action tab, and we will choose flip, select the parameter, we will select this, select objects, we will select all this object, and we will select all again and enter. Yeah, now flip is applied. So let us check it, it's flipping around that or not. Save the block, test the block. Here if I click here, yeah, got it. See how it's flipping? Yeah, nice. So flip is also applied. So next is to have a line. So alignment, as we saw that there were orientations, different lines at different angles, and we want to align these our center axis here with any line which is at any angle. So no need to have rotate again and again while placing that dynamic symbol. We will have that parameter over here only. So for that we have here alignment. Okay, so we will select alignment, base point for this one, and it's asking us for direction, this vertical direction. Enter. See, this is the new symbol for alignment. So it's applied. So no need to have it's already action is also applied, because we do not have separate actions for that alignment right here. Okay, so finally we will rotate it. We will rotate it around this center point in the increments of 10 degree angle, so that with 10 degree we are flexible. We can achieve our 30 degree and also 10, 20 degree. Sometimes some lines are at 10 and 20 degree inclination in piping isometric diagrams. So let's achieve it. We will have to apply a rotate parameter, select, then base point, then here double click and again click. Now we got here on a circular symbol. So we applied our parameter angle. We will apply action on this. We'll go in this action tab and apply rotate. Select the parameter first, then it's asking to select object. We will select object, right frame, enter. Now it's applied. Okay, so again we will select this parameter angle, and here we will have it as a increment, angle type increment, angle increment 10. We can have 5 degree also, no problem. Minimum 0, 360. Let's keep that it is. Okay, save the block and test the block. Okay, so see, it's 30 degrees taking because I have my ortho on. If I will off the ortho, we can choose this 10 degree increment angles, right, like this, like this, as per our requirement for the different orientations. So save the block, close block editor. Okay, so we will insert that. Okay, now this is our original in this orientation. Now I want this to be placed here, this line. See how it aligned, it aligns itself automatically there, right? If you want to change it, you want to flip it, you can do that. Actually I feel that we should have flip symbol somewhere here, right? Because this is our this center point is our grip point. To pick this and move somewhere, it becomes our grip point. So we will again redefine our flip symbol. Okay, so let's edit this block, edit, select this. Okay, and we want our this flip symbol not in center, somewhere else. So what can we do? We can move it and save the block. Okay, test the block and bam, close. Let's test it with the all our symbol that we can get it or not. We have this one, we have this one. Now this one, we can have anything. Again we will place that here. Now what we want, we can make it flip it. Okay, we have this one also, right? Again we can rotate it